We all know that learning English is a long-time process of accumulating language knowledge in different developmental stages and constant practice of the skills for which it should become your daily and constant habits. However, life doesn't stop, as you can put many things on hold. How many of us could really make constant effort without losing your daily focus on the priority of life? It is always a pain. In particular, things such as preparing for a language test or to do the essay writing. So it becomes a near fairy tale and many years of painstaking job to balance our lives. Therefore, many end up struggling on and off or give it up. How many of you have to reduce your standard or spend thousands of dollars working days and nights, kneeling down to make a breakthrough, and still not achieved fully of what you deserved?